Friends, this is @IOldMonk and today I am with the Lava Icon. So this is the new series launched by Lava. The smartphone comes with the 5-inch display in the front. It is HD IPS display. It comes with the Dragon Trail protection, so it is scratch resistant for that. Other than that, it comes with the 16 GB of internal storage, 2 GB of RAM, and it has 32 GB of expandable memory, so don't get confused with it. Let me go through and show you the storage and settings. So here we go. This is the storage, 16 GB, as you can see. It comes with the new OS, which is Star OS, and it is running on Android 4.4.2. so Star OS is a custom OS, custom UI on the smartphone, and you can see the other things like the 2 GB of RAM. It has a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor. It is not mentioned, but I think it is a MediaTek processor. So what is the key feature of the smartphone? It comes with the the main thing in the smartphone is the rear camera. So rear camera is 13 megapixel with dual LED flash for taking better photos. In the front we are getting the 5 megapixel camera, which is good. So we have taken some pictures and let me show you once. So here we go to the gallery. We have taken some pictures in the daylight, and it produces a good amount of color saturation, as you can see, with the flash, and without flash it doesn't work well. So we can't tell about the camera quality much about without using it. Other than this, let me go through the body and design. It comes with the metallic finish in the side panel, and other than that it has a power button on the right side. Above that it has a volume rocker key. This is the dual SIM card slot, so both will be the micro SIM slot, and on the other side, on the left side, we are getting the expandable memory card slot. And the top we have the 3.5 mm jack, and this is the micro USB charging slot. So this is what all comes in the smartphone. And in the back there is a speaker, as you can see that it has a glossy touch at the back. It is not a glass as mentioned by the company. So the price point of the smartphone is for 11,990. In online it will be available only on Snapdeal exclusively. Other than that, it will also go to the retail shop. So this is all about the Lava Icon. Stay tuned. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.